here's how to do a wooden fence. I've got a string pulled in a nice straight line, dug my holes for the post, got the post in and filled it with concrete, and now it's ready for some fencing. First I'm going to take a picket and put one on each post and put a mark at the top. Then I'm going to measure down from that mark 3.5 inches, and that's going to be my first 2x4 that I'm going to screw on from the outside. Got a little screw to hold it in place. I'm out here working by myself. Now I'm going to measure from the top 2x4 down to the middle one, about 33 inches, and the bottom one, about 63 inches. I get marks for those. Once I get those all on, I can pull a string from all of my top marks on each post, and then put my pickets on right to the string. Just going to nail them on, all of the corners of the pickets hitting the string. And there we go. Pretty simple and pretty easy. Turn the corner right here pretty nicely. From the inside you can see what it looks like with the 2x4s from the outside. Now I'm going to get a gate on up here, and this is going to open downhill. I've got it framed out with some 2x4s, one brace on the corner there to keep it square. I went ahead and hung it onto the post with these hinges, and I put it this way to help with the opening inward down the hill. And now I can put my pickets right on top of this frame. I'll slide one underneath to make sure that it doesn't touch the ground. And there we go. Nice little latches and handles. And we're looking good. So I've got one more gate to do that's going to be opening outward down the hill. And so I've got my frame built, and I put one picket on with the hinges. And now I've got it hung up on the sides here. And then the same thing. I just ran my pickets on it. And here we go. All set. So that's how I did it. And that's how you can do it. I hope this video is helpful and gave you some insight on how you can do some fencing and which way could work best for you. And I hope it goes great, and be blessed. Don't forget to check out my channel for other cool videos about how to do other cool things.